I want to talk to you about how to not get overwhelmed by anxiety. I have a saying. It goes, you can't put your seatbelt on in the middle of a car accident. And it's the same thing with taking care of yourself. You can't try to practice meditation or yoga or deep breathing when you are in the middle of a panic attack. You have got to do those things every day, or at least on a weekly basis, to make sure that you are in the strongest, safest place you are if a panic attack comes along. In the same way that we put our seatbelt on every time we get in the car, just in case we're in a car accident. The things that you should be doing on a daily basis. Practice yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. Get outside every day. Make sure you're well hydrated. Do something creative. Create. Reach out to loved ones. Tell them you care. Tell them you've been thinking about them. Sing out loud. Who cares if people hear you? And snuggle with your pet, with your kids, with your best friend, with your partner. Make sure you have some kind of human contact. Because remember, you cannot put your seatbelt on in the middle of a car accident.